Hello Aditya, I am Kriti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 11 in GATE Geophysics paper. Would you mind introducing yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, thank you for the wishes. And my name is Adityam Rai. I have done my bachelor's in geoscience engineering from UPS, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. Post that, I worked as an associate consultant in Larsen and Toubro Infotech for 2.5 years.
Okay, so what are your opinion on geophysics?
I would say it's a very beautiful subject, a multidisciplinary domain. It is a very small part of earth sciences, and the best part is it is very limited. It has very limited resources, but it has a very wide spectrum, and the demand is huge, I would say, worldwide, and it's the subject for the future.
Okay, so what is your GATE score and marks in GATE 2021 and how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
Well, my score is 819. My all-in rank is 11. And I attempted GATE first time in 2018 when I was graduating. I didn't clear the exam then. And after that, I was into job. So I didn't get much of time, and I wasn't able to give that much effort to GATE preparation. And then I re-attempted GATE in 2020. I could not clear it. I missed it by 2 marks, I suppose. And then when I quit my job this year, I went all in for the preparation, and I cleared it with flying colors. My marks were 61.33 out of 100.
Okay, that's good. So when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE? And when did you start preparing for the exam?
Oh, having worked in corporate for 2.5 years, see, when I was in my bachelor's, I was always into research. My projects were always research based, and I love teaching. So it was by chance that I got a chance to work in corporate setting, and I got to know that I realized that I was not made for that stuff. So I quit my job in October 2020 and just set on with my preparation then.
Okay, so why did you choose GATE over other career option? Like you could have cleared CAT or private sector jobs or government jobs. Why only GATE you chose like?
As I said, my ultimate objective was to get into research and academics, and I have a very scientific bent of mind. So I know a lot of people in close circle who attempted CAT, and they also cleared it. They also advised me going for it, but I think I'm not made for MBA and other corporate jobs. I love teaching, and that is why I went for GATE.
Okay, so what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 geophysics paper?
I would say there were certain changes in the syllabus this time, and there were also changes in the format. So the questions were new. If even if you would have practiced the previous year papers, you would not have guessed the questions this time. The level was a notch higher than the previous years.
Okay, so did you take up any coaching? And if you did, then how did it help you in securing All India Rank 11 in GATE 2021?
See, I did not take any coaching in geophysics because we do not have actually coaching in geophysics. In India, we have a lot of coachings for geology, but not for geophysics. And I actually took a coaching in physics. What I realized from my previous attempts that I was a little weak in basics. So I went for IIT Jam by Elevate classes. It's a fabulous coaching based in Delhi. So one of my teachers started it, and I went for it. I did the program for 3 months. So they taught me all the basic physics there, and then I had the tools. So I went after GATE, which is an applied subject. Geophysics is, you can say it's an applied branch of physics. So you need to be very clear with the basics. Then you can go for the hardcore concepts. So it
Okay,
helped me a lot.
okay. So which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of GATE 2021 examination? And would you please like to suggest few books which will help to crack the examination?
You do not have many books in this. There are two standard books. The first one is Fundamentals of Geophysics by William Lowry. It's an all-time classic. And the second one is Applied Geophysics by W.M. Telford. So these two books together cover the whole syllabus of GATE, and there are certain topics which have been now included. It's not easy to find those topics in the book. You have to refer to certain research papers for that. So it requires a very comprehensive study on your part. You have to stick to the syllabus. The topics are huge, approx 140 topics across 13 units, I would say.
Okay. So what are some important topics that should be focused while preparing for GATE examination?
I would say all the topics are very important. There are just the GATE committee is inclined towards 2 or 3 chapters more, but I would say that not to leave any topic as such, because all the topics are important. They carry equal weightage. There are certain topics like seismic exploration, earthquake seismology, and solid earth, which carry the crucial part. I would say out of um, you can say 85 marks. These 3 topics will carry around 25 to 30 marks alone.
Okay. So what was your preparation strategy as well as a revision strategy for GATE examination?
Well, the preparation strategy is about like starting with the basics. First, the first step in any kind of preparation is that you have to be very thorough with the syllabus. You have a very limited time, and so you cannot spend the time studying extra things which will never come in the paper. So first of all, you have to be very thorough with the subjects. Then you have to stick to your fundamental books, and you have to cover each and every topic. And I repeat, each and every topic. And after that, I was done with my syllabus, I think a month prior to GATE. So after that was pure revision. I was just revising my notes here and there and solving some questions. And one thing that I did extra this time was, because I was expecting a good paper in geophysics, because IIT Bombay was the host IIT this year, and it is known for geophysics. So I had that idea that the paper can be a little bit different this year. So I went for CSIR Net Earth Sciences questions too, which is a level higher than GATE. So that actually helped me a lot because the questions were a little bit similar to CSIR Net this time.
Okay. So what was your time management strategy for attempting question in examination?
Everyone has different strategies. For me, the strategy that worked was I didn't scan through the whole question paper first. For me, it was like going for the aptitude section first, getting those questions, and then one question at a time. That was all. I had a specific time frame in my mind that I have to like attempt around 80 marks of the paper out of 100, and that should be done like around 2.5 hours maximum. I had an idea that I have to like leave 30 minutes at the end for considering the questions that I've marked for review.
Okay. So how did the current COVID-19 pandemic affected your studies and routine?
It quite didn't actually affect anything for me because I was working, and then it was all about work from home. And I would say that COVID-19 has been a blessing for me because I was able to introspect actually what I actually wanted to do in life. So I was feeling that urge to, okay, let's get started with things and let's change, let's go after what you have always wanted. You wanted to go into research, you wanted to join academics. Okay, let's clear GATE this time. Let's give it our all.
Okay.
So this was for me. The time management, you can say I was like, I had first I had 9 hours of job every day. So no serious preparation. Then my serious preparation started around October. And then I had like 3 hours of that basic physics coaching from elite classes. And apart from that, I was dedicating 6 to 7 hours every day consistently.
Okay. So how was this year's GATE pattern different from previous year?
You can say the numerical portion was a bit higher this time. They actually increased the numerical portion a lot. The questions were very new. They asked questions from concepts that they have never asked questions from previously. So that's all I found about the paper. They had modified the paper section, like they told before that they will include multiple select questions, but my paper didn't have any multiple select questions. So that was a surprise element on the day of the exam.
Okay. So would you like to throw some light on GATE 2022 geophysics aspirants?
Yeah, I would just say that, as I said, just stick to the syllabus and be consistent with your preparation. There will be a lot of times when you will feel like quitting. Okay, it's just not happening. Well, this subject is tough. I'm not able to solve a lot of questions. And that is the time when you need to stick to it. You need to set deadlines for yourself, weekly deadlines, monthly deadlines, and be very thorough with those deadlines because you have to do it within that limited time frame. It's just perseverance and consistency. That's all. You don't have to give up, and everything will happen for good.
Okay. Congratulations once again for securing All India Rank 11 in GATE 2021 Geophysics examination. And thank you for giving us your valuable time, and Find My Test team wishes you all the best for your bright future.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.